Hello, we are so glad to introduce our vision of advanced technologies in your life. It is not a simple flashlight. It is a powerful multifunctional device which contributes to your personal style. Set up for hiking, camping, driving, running, biking, fishing, hunting, partying, and anything you want, here and now. Tronics features several modes of light: powerful turbo, strobe, normal brightness, and LED circle energy saving mode. It is dramatically different from other flashlights as it embraces an area faster than visual angle. This implies you can see almost as perfect as during the daytime. If you need a narrow long-distance beam, just focus the two lenses to the maximum. This flashlight not only marks you in the darkness, but leaves your hands free as you fix it on your back. This is rather useful for extreme kinds of sports and other activities like hiking and camping. With 4 powerful batteries, you will be able to use it when other lights went out. For example, if you need to urgently charge your tablet, telephone player, Tronics will easily serve as a power bank. Besides, this is the only flashlight which looks cool from the backside, even cooler than the front one. So, we present a gadget for those who like to stay tuned for all the latest trends. It's easy to adjust, easy to carry, easy to use, and is not like any other light. We are happy if we ignite a spark of your interest and will appreciate your support. Thank you so much for your time.
We want what's best for our kids. The problem is that kids spend way too much time with technology that isn't looking out for them. There's too many screens with too many distractions, not enough creativity and learning, and definitely not enough privacy. Meet Chatterbox, the world's first build-it-yourself, program-it-yourself smart speaker for kids. Think of it like an Amazon Alexa, but one focused on privacy that kids can build and teach to bring their creativity to life. Our simple step-by-step instructions make problem-solving fun and hands-on. Building Chatterbox is as easy as building a paper airplane. The Visual Skill Builder helps kids learn about artificial intelligence while easily programming voice skills. Kids can set up magic words to control lights, message grandparents, and craft their own interactive story adventures. Anything is possible. Chatterbox is a fun, personal, and private way for kids to develop important communication, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills. Our team's collective experience has built educational software and hardware products used by millions of kids all over the world. We're parents, educators, designers, and developers committed to making learning fun again. We've been testing Chatterbox in Silicon Valley's top schools with tons of success. Parents love it, teachers love it, and most importantly, kids love Chatterbox. We're ready to share Chatterbox with the world. We need you and the rest of the Kickstarter community to help us meet the manufacturing requirements to make it happen. Please support us in bringing Chatterbox to kids all over the world.
Hi, I'm Chatterbox, ready to learn. Back our Kickstarter today.